On today's episode, Elon Musk reveals what could be the secret behind Tesla's robotic future. The Boring Company quietly builds a Falcon 9 for dirt, full self-driving expands in Europe, and Tesla surprises North American owners with a holiday gift they won't forget. Elon Musk has just dropped one of his boldest predictions yet for the future of humanoid robots. On November 30th, he posted on X that Tesla's Optimus robot could become a von Neumann probe. That might sound like science fiction, but the implications are massive. So what exactly is a von Neumann probe? In sci-fi theory, it's a self-replicating machine designed for deep space exploration. Since traveling the galaxy could take millions of years, the solution isn't one machine, but a machine that can build copies of itself. Each time it reaches a new star system, it gathers resources, creates replicas, and sends them further into space. The result is exponential expansion. Now apply that same idea to robotics. Instead of humans building robots, you build robots that can build other robots. Then you take it even further: robots mining raw materials, robots forging metal, robots producing components, until manufacturing becomes automated from top to bottom. If Tesla actually pulls this off, it would completely rewrite what we know about manufacturing scale, labor costs, and economic productivity. Musk's sci-fi analogy may be the hidden logic behind Tesla's ambitious Optimus production targets. At Tesla's 2025 shareholder meeting, Musk laid out a striking roadmap. The plan begins with a 1 million unit annual pilot line in Fremont, followed by a 10 million unit line at Giga Texas. In a hypothetical future, he even suggested a 100 million unit line, possibly on Mars, eventually producing up to 1 billion robots per year. That level of scale simply isn't possible with traditional human-based assembly. Self-replicating or highly automated robotic systems may be the only path forward. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean a sci-fi factory run by super-intelligent AI. More realistically, it could look like a next-generation gigafactory, one so automated that Optimus robots help assemble, deploy, and maintain other Optimus robots. This idea actually traces back to Musk's earlier vision of the Alien Dreadnought factory. During the Model 3 ramp, an ultra-automated facility where humans act more like observers than workers. The technology wasn't ready then, but with Optimus, Tesla may finally be circling back to that concept. Before we continue, a quick reminder about online privacy. Ever feel like you're being watched online? That's because you probably are. Your internet provider, workplace, school, and Wi-Fi network can all see what you're doing, and incognito mode doesn't actually protect you. That's where a VPN comes in. A good VPN encrypts your connection and routes it through secure servers, keeping both your activity and your location private. It also allows access to geo-blocked content on platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+, and can even help you find better online deals. The one we use is CyberGhost VPN. It has over 38 million users worldwide, more than 20,000 positive Trustpilot reviews, and works on all major devices. You can protect up to 7 devices at once, perfect for your entire household. Right now, CyberGhost is offering an exclusive deal for viewers, 84% off, just $2.30 per month, plus 4 extra months free and a 45-day money-back guarantee. Check the link in the description to support the channel. Now, back to Elon Musk. In a recent podcast, Musk made a statement that sparked intense debate online. He predicted that within the next 20 years, machines will handle most forms of labor, making human work optional. Working, he said, will become more like a hobby. Just like growing your own food today, most people don't need to do it, but some choose to because they enjoy it. As radical as this sounds, people inside the industry are starting to take it seriously. Just this week, Yunchen a former Apple Robotics research scientist, left Apple to join Tesla's Optimus team. In a public post, he praised Tesla's combination of hardware, software, and AI talent, saying he was blown away by the scale and sophistication of the Optimus lab. That kind of endorsement speaks volumes, especially coming from Apple. And this pattern isn't limited to Tesla. Across Musk's companies, the philosophy is the same: build the machine that builds the machine. We've seen it with SpaceX rockets, and now we're seeing it with tunnel boring machines. The Boring Company recently revealed that its newest machine, Prufrock 5, is fully reusable. Unlike traditional boring machines that are abandoned underground, Prufrock units are retrieved, upgraded, and reused. Prufrock 1 has already dug 6 tunnels. It's essentially a Falcon 9, but for dirt. Each cycle makes the machine faster, cheaper, and more capable. The same reusable engineering playbook that allowed SpaceX to dominate orbital launches. Meanwhile, Tesla is also pushing hard into Europe. Spain has officially approved nationwide full self-driving testing under its ESAV framework, giving Tesla access to real roads and real-world data across the country. This approval runs through 2027 and allows optional onboard safety drivers and remote monitoring. Tesla is also expanding testing across Germany, France, Italy, and aiming for approval in the Netherlands in early 2026. Back in North America, Tesla made a clever holiday move. Owners with AI4 hardware who never purchased FSD just received a free supervised FSD trial, not for 30 days, but nearly 40 days, running through January 8, 2026. That means hands-free city and highway driving during the busiest travel season of the year, Christmas, New Year's, and beyond. It's the perfect time for word-of-mouth exposure. As Tesla owners often say, the best way to understand FSD is simply to experience it. Once again, don't forget to check the CyberGhost VPN link in the description to protect your data and unlock the internet for just $2.30 a month. This is Tesla Vision, where the future is already taking shape.